Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher, Miss Sidwat. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to do addition. So let me explain you first, then I will give you the homework. So let's start. Here comes one ant. Behind him, one more ant. So children, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Wow! 1 flower. Oh, 3 more flowers. So children, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Here comes 2 elephants. Look, 2 more friends have joined them. So now there are 4 elephants. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now homework time. What you will do? Here are some addition sums. You have to solve them in your rough copies and send it to me. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.